we have another one that arrived just today. So this is the Yihua soldering station, and so the model there is 936 Alpha, and it's rated at 220 volts. So I already opened the box, but we will do it again for you. So this is the box that came with, and it's relatively good. It came with a user's manual, and the English is quite good, so you can understand it very well. Yeah, so all the specs there. Just rated at 75 watts, and that's the model 936A, and 2 kilogram, and it can go up to 480 degrees Celsius or 896 Fahrenheit. And what else? Yeah, so that's the manual. It came with a warranty card, which I won't bother to use. And this is the soldering iron holder, I believe that's what it's called. And it also came with the foam pads. Yeah, I believe you wet this with water to clean the tips. And this is the soldering iron itself. Yeah. So it's the tip, this is the holder, and this is the terminal that plugs into the controller and the transformer. So it's quite heavy. Okay. So this is the transformer or the control unit. So inside is where you see the transformer from AC to DC, and as mentioned, this is the heater. I mean the solder itself, and this is the controller. So it's not digital, it's analog, so you can change it from 200 or 392 Fahrenheit to 480 degrees Celsius or 896 Fahrenheit. And I haven't tried this actually, so that's what it's in front. This is the input terminal, I mean the terminal where you plug the the solder, and that's the control knob. And there's a hole there, I don't know what that is. This seems like a screw inside, but I don't know what that's for. On the side is a switch, and at the back, oh, you have a QR code, so you can check if this equipment is genuine. So rated current is 1 amps. Alright, 220, 40 volts, nothing on the side except for the holes here for ventilation, and nothing at the bottom except for the hole here. Of course, there's the foot. Yeah. And that's pretty much it. That's it. So I haven't tried this yet. Let me just open this unscrew. So you can replace this whole thing. It costs about $2.50, I think. Yeah, 100 something pesos. And you can also replace the lids, the tip rather. And you have several options right here, and they are readily available. So I watched reviews of this product. Apparently it's good. So I'll be doing some electricals at home. So what was it? Yeah, so I don't know what the alarm was. So later I will do a quick test, and probably I'll share that with you as well. So yeah, I haven't tested the product yet, as I mentioned, but overall I like the build quality. It's very heavy, and hopefully it will last years of service. So hopefully guys, this gives you an idea of what this product is all about. So again, this is the Yihua 936 Alpha soldering station that came with the solder itself, the soldering iron, and the holder with a pad, and then inside you can put like something that you clean. I don't know what it's called. Yeah. So thank you. So I have this set up now here, and I have this old PC exhaust fan to serve. It's not a cooler, but to suck in the smoke from the LED to there. So let's do a test. I set it to 350 degrees Celsius, and let's turn it on and see how long does it take. Yeah, it will actually turn off. Uh, yeah, there. Isn't that cool? It's been sucked. Alright. Oh, it's really good. Oh. Wow, that's really nice. Gusto mo kalat na. And sorry, the amount of this soldering station is 1,150 pesos. So that's roughly 23 US dollars. And a couple of items that I haven't covered is the quality of the wires. So this is relatively soft and flexible. And this one, the quality is quite good as well. So the wires are thick. I mean, I don't see what's inside, but I presume based from how it feels, it's a relatively thick wires inside. So overall, good quality and really good value for money. You can buy this here in some other stores for 1,500 pesos, but the one we bought, this is, I believe, the cheapest and have some good reviews as well from the seller. So we bought it from Shopee. Thank you guys for watching and hope this has been helpful. So again, that's the soldering station. Bye bye.